Good day guys, let me show you how to fix this power bank charging port type C. One of my customer brought the phone for me to fix. In this our area here, so many people are afraid of fixing power bank because sometimes to open the power bank they will burst the battery. But me, I fix everything fixable as far as you are ready to pay. So when the person brought the power bank for me, I just check it. I said, don't worry, I'll fix it. Is it not only type C the charging port? I'll fix it. I removed this one in one of my scrap power bank. So I've removed the old one. This is when I'm fixing the new one now. Guys, like this video, share and comment. Just watch carefully. You will see what I'm doing there. This is the new one I'm putting it back now. Putting the new one back. As you can see, it's working perfectly. It has entered now. I just want to use my soldering iron to make everything enter, make the legs enter, solder all the legs, solder all the points so that everything will go well. As you can see, I'm almost done. Look at how neat the work is. Look at how neat it is. Very neat and clean. Just take your time and do this. Take your time and do this. Watch carefully, watch carefully. I'm almost done. Okay, let me test it now so that you will see. Boom, as you can see, it's charging. Okay, look at the power bank, look at the battery here. Let me solder it back so that you will see that everything is working perfectly. Guys, like my video, share my video, comment. I love you guys. See you in my next video.